Hi children, I am Srinivas from Sri Sai Sadbhavana School. We are continuing the lesson time. That is exercise 12.2 and 12.3. Now we will solve. In the 12.2 up to 5th main, 4th main we have solved already solved. Now we are moving to the 5th main. Convert seconds into minutes. Convert seconds into minutes. You know very well 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 1 second become 1 by 60 minutes. How? See here, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 1 second is equal to, when you cross multiply this one, when you take this one unit method, becomes 1 by 60 minutes. They have given that one only. 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. I hope you understand this one. Next we'll move into the problems now. So first one they have given 480 seconds. How much? 480 seconds. You know 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. So 480 seconds is equal to, what I have to do? Multiply this 480 with 1 by 60. So 1 by 60 into 480. Once again I will explain. 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. Then 480 seconds is equal to 1 by 60 into 480. Now you divide, because this is in the numerator, this is in the denominator. You have to divide 480 from 60. From 60 you divide. You know very well 6 ones are 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So 8s are 8 zeros are 0. 8 6s are 48. Subtract 0 0 0. That means this cancels 8 times. So what is the answer? 8 minutes. In 8 minutes 480 seconds are there, or 480 seconds is equal to 8 minutes. 480 seconds is equal to 8 minutes. Next come to here 9600 seconds. Same way 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. 1 by 60 minute. So 9600 seconds is equal to, I will write down 9600 into 1 by 60. The 60 may be right this side or that side, no problem. Now I will show another one method, cancellation method. 0 0 we can cancel. If it is both are in the unit places, we can cancel them. 0 0. Now this becomes 960 by 6. That means by 6 you divide 960. By 6 you divide 960. 6 ones are 6. You will get, subtract 9 minus 6 3. Take down 6. 6 6 are 36. 0 0. When you subtract 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 3 0. Now you take down 0. 6 zeros are 0. You will get 0. That is how many minutes? 160 minutes. That is in 160 minutes 9600 seconds are there, or 9600 seconds are equal to 160 minutes. 160 minutes. Next come to 720 seconds. Same way 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. 1 by 60 minute. So 720 seconds is equal to, 720 seconds is equal to 1 by 60 into 720. Same way 0 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6, 12s are 12 6 are 72. Or if I add out, I will divide by 6. 72. 6 ones are 6 minus 7 minus 6 1. You take down 2. 6 twos are 12. You will get 0 0. So 12 minutes. 720 seconds are equal to 12 minutes. Next come to here 1200 seconds. So I will write directly 1 by 60 into 1200. Very easy. 0, 0. Cancel. 6 ones are 6 twos are 12, 20 as it is. Or I will divide this by 6, 120. 6 twos are 12. Subtract 0, 0. Take down 0. 6 zeros are 0. So how much we got? 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Next come to 5400 seconds. 5400 seconds in the same way. 1 by 60 into 5400. 0, 0 cancel. From 6 you divide 540. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. Subtract 4 minus 4 0. 5 minus 5 0. Take down 0. 6 zeros are 0. 0 you will get. So how many minutes? 90 minutes. 5400 seconds is equal to 90 minutes. I hope you understand this one also. Next we will move to the 6th May. Next we are moving to the 6th May, that is convert seconds into hours. Convert seconds into hours. You know very well 3600 seconds are 1 hour. 3600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hours. That means in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. If you consider 1 second, it is the 1 part of 3600 seconds. 1 part of 3600 seconds. In the same way, we will do now 7200 seconds. So convert into hours. Just 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hour. So 7200 seconds is equal to, multiply this by same way, 7200, 2 zeros cancel, 36, from 36 you divide, we don't know sir 36 ones are, you multiply here, 2s are, 2 6 are 12 carry 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 72, so 36 2s are 72, subtract minus 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 7 0, that is 2 hours. What is the answer? 2 hours. So 7200 seconds is equal to 2 hours. Next come to 10,800 seconds. 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hour. So 10,800 seconds is equal to 1 by 3600 into 10,800. In the same way, 2 zeros, by 36 you divide 108. 36 threes are, because 3 threes are 9, so nearly 10 it is here, so it may be equal to near to the 3 times 3 6 are 18 carry 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So 36 3s are 108, subtract 8 minus 8 is 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 1 minus 1 0. So how many hours? 3 hours. 3 hours is equal to 10,800 seconds, or 10,800 seconds is equal to 3 hours. 3 hours. Come to here, 18,000 seconds. So directly we will do 18,000 into 1 by 3600. 2 zeros cancel. From 36 you divide 180. From 36 you divide 180. How many times it will go? 36 5s are 36 5s are 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 5 3 are 15 plus 3, 18. So 36 5 are 180. Subtract 0, 8 minus 8 0, 1 minus 1 0. So you will get 5 hours. 5 hours. Next come to 36,000 seconds. You can easily say it becomes 10 hours, or you will multiply 36,000 into 1 by 3,600. Two zeros cancel. 36 ones are 36, 10s are 360. So you say 10 hours. 36 ones are 36, 36 tens are 360. So you get 10 hours here. Next come to 25,200 seconds. Here 25,200 into 1 by 3,600. Two zeros cancel. From 36 you divide 252. 36 sevens are 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 7 3 are 21 plus 4, 25. So 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0. If you have doubt, I will multiply here 76, 36 into 7, 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 7 3 are 21 plus 4, 25. The same 252. So 25,200 seconds is equal to 7 hours. Or in 7 hours, 25,200 seconds are there. Okay, I hope you understand this also. Next we will move to the next main. Next we will move to 7th main. Convert the following into seconds. They are given hours and minutes, and hours and seconds, minutes and seconds. You have to convert them into totally seconds. First problem, they are given 3 hours 12 seconds. 3 hours 12 seconds. You know very well 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So multiply 3,600 by 3. You will get some seconds. Then add these 12 seconds to that. Then you will get the total seconds. Now we will multiply 3,600 into 3. You will get 0, 0, 3 6 is 18, carry 1, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. This is 3 hours. We are converting them into seconds. Next, add 12. Because they have given seconds, this is seconds, this is also seconds, this is hours. Now add 2, 1, 8 as it is, 0, 1. 10,812 seconds. 10,812 seconds. That is in 3 hours, 12 seconds. Next, come to here, 7 hours and 25 minutes. So you know very well, 3,600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So 7 hours is equal to 3,600 into 7. Multiplied. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 7 3 are 21 plus 4, 25. 25,200 plus 25 minutes are there here. So this is about the hour. Next come to minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 25 minutes is equal to 25 minutes is equal to 25 into 60. 0 as it is. 6 5 are 30, carry 3. 6 2 are 12 plus 3, 15. Next comes here 1,500 seconds. This is also seconds. This is also seconds. You add this one to this one. So 25,200, 200, 25, 25,200. This is also seconds. Total 0, 0, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 1, 6, 2. That is 26,700 seconds. Once again I will explain. Here they are given 7 hours and 25 minutes. That means you have to convert hours also into seconds and minutes also into seconds. First we will convert 7 hours into seconds. You will get 25,200. Then convert 25 minutes into seconds, 25 into 60, you will get 1500 seconds. Then add these two, you will get 26,700 seconds. Next, come to here, 12 minutes and 40 seconds. You know very well, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 12 minutes is equal to 60 into 12, 12 zeros are 0, 12 six are 72. 720 seconds, add 40 seconds to it, you will get 760 seconds. 760 seconds. Come to here, 27 hours 32 minutes, same as the second problem. First convert 27 hours into seconds. So 27 into 3600, or we multiply 3600 into 27. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 six are 42, carry 4, 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 4, 25, 25,200. Next, here we have got the results for 7 hours. Next 2 hours into 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 six are 12, carry 1, 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7, add 0, 0, 2, 7, 9, 97,200. That is for the 27 hours. Next come to 32 minutes. I will do here. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 32 minutes is equal to 32 into 60, 0, 6 2 is 12, carry 1, 6 3 is 18 plus 1, 19. That is 1920. 1920, add to this one, 1920, 0, 2, 2 plus 9, 11, carry 1, 7, 8, 9, 9, 99,120 seconds. That is, in 7 hours 32 minutes, there are 99,120 seconds. I hope you understand. This one also, we'll move to the exercise 12.3 now. Now we'll move to the exercise 12.3. In that, add the following. We have to add the hours, minutes, and they have given hours, minutes, and seconds. How we can add the time? Same as the addition, but here taking the carry is different, because here we can't go for 100, because you know very well 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. That means when you add the seconds, if you get 60 seconds, you have to take carry 1. When you add the minutes, if you get 60 minutes, you have to take carry for the next to the hours, because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, so you have to take that into the carry. Always the minutes and seconds should be less than 60 only. Maximum up to 59 you can write the seconds. If it is 60, you take 0, 0 here, carry 1 minute or 1 hour, like that. While we are adding, you can understand it. Okay, first we will do this problem. Here they are given 3 plus 2, add 5, 4 plus 2, 6. So it is not possible to write 6 here, because 65 it comes. When you add 23 plus 42, it comes 65. Okay, I will do like this, if you will understand easily. 65. 65 seconds means 1 minute 5 seconds. Subtract 60 here. You write the remaining, that is 0.5 here, carry 1 hour. Sorry, here it is minutes, not the seconds. Same, 23 minutes plus 42 minutes, it becomes 65 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So I will subtract 1 hour to take carry here. So remaining 5 minutes. I have written 5 minutes here. I have taken carry 1 hour. Now add 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 hours, 5 minutes. 6 hours, 5 minutes. Now I hope you understand this one. Come to here, add 6 plus 2, 8, 1 plus 1, 5 plus 4, 9. Here, no carry, nothing. Just you add as it is. Next, come to here. 0, here we will take the separate column 30 plus 49 because while adding you get more than 60. Add 9, 0 plus 9, 9, 7 plus, 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. Now, this is more than greater than 60. So, you subtract 60 minutes from this. You take carry 1 hour to this side. So, subtract 60. 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 6, 1. So, you write 19 here. Take carry 1 hour here. Add 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 6, 14. Or 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 hours, 19 minutes. Come to here. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. See here, this is 59 minutes. So we can write here. Because it is not equal to 60. So 59, write as it is minutes there. Add 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. How many hours? 53 hours, 59 seconds. Sorry, 53 hours, 59 minutes. Next, come to here. Here they are given hours, minutes and seconds. Both. In the same way you have to add. Here see, when you add, you can get more than 60. So, you add here 51 plus 37. How much you will get? 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Subtract 60 from this because 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. You get 28. You write 28 here and take 1 carry here. 1 minute. Not 10 minutes, 1 minute. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. This is less than 60. You write as it is. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 hours, 54 minutes, 28 seconds. Next, come to here. 10 plus 30, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 1, 4, 40, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8. 87 it comes. So here it comes 87. So what we have to do? Add here separately. 32 plus 55. 7, 87, subtract 60 from this. 7, 2, 27 you get. Take carry 2 here, sorry 1, because 1 hour only we have got here, so take carry here. If it is 120 minutes, 120 minutes it won't come because we are adding 59 minutes and 59 minutes only, so it is always we will take the carry 1 only. So 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, 12, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. If you add more than, that means 3 items, 48, 46, 59, like this, you can get more than 120. Then you take 2 minutes as the carry or 2 hours as the carry. If it is more than 60 or more than 120, you can take 2 hours as the carry. Okay, I hope here, see here, 30 plus 10, 40. This becomes 87. We'll subtract 1 hour. So you will get 27 minutes. 1 hour I have carried here. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 6, 7. So this is the answer. Next we will move to the subtracting the time. Next we will move to the subtracting the time. Now we are moving to the subtraction of the time. Subtracting the hours from hours, minutes from the minutes, seconds from the seconds. Here also taking the carry. That is, taking the carry means 60. If you take the carry to seconds, it will become 1 minute. If you take carry, it becomes 60 seconds. If you take 1 hour carry towards the minutes, it will become 60 minutes. When we are doing, you will understand. 56 minus 32, it is easy. 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. That is 3 hours 24 minutes. Come to here. Here it is 23. It is not possible to subtract 23 from 34 from 23. Now what I have to do? Take, I will work here. 23. Take 1 hour carry here. So this becomes 7. This becomes plus 60 minutes. Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Total it becomes 3, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. So 83 minutes it will become. Subtract 34 from this. 34 from this. 13 minus 4, 9. This becomes 13. This becomes 7. 7 minus 3, 4. So 49 minutes it becomes. 17 minus 10, 7. 17 minus 10, 7 hours 49 minutes. Once again I will explain. 34 minutes is greater than 23, so it is not possible to subtract 34 from 23. So take 1 hour to this side. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. Convert these hours into minutes, then add 60 plus 23, you will get 83. From 83 you subtract 34, you get 49. You get 49. Here it becomes 17 hours. 17 hours minus 10 is equal to 7 hours. Next come to here. Here also same. 32 minus 48, it is not possible. So take 60 minutes, 1 hour from this side. 1 hour. This becomes 32 plus 60. 92. 32 plus 60. 92. So 92 minus 48. 92 minus 48, you will get 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8, 4. This becomes 8. 8 minus 4, 4. That is 44 minutes. Excuse me. 5. This 6 become 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 3 minus 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 21 hours, 44 minutes. Next come to here. 50 minus 40, 0, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. Very easy. We are subtracted because there is no need to take the carry. Next come to H problem. Here also 36 minus by 20. You have to subtract 36 from 20. So we will do here 20. Take 1. 60. Here seconds. That means you have to take from the minutes. You have to take it from the minutes. So this becomes 4. This becomes 60 plus 20, 80. 80 minus 36. 80 minus 36. 10 minus 6, 4. This becomes 7. 7 minus 3, 4. That is 44 seconds. 44 seconds. Here 34 minus 41. This is not possible. So take carry from 1 hour here. This becomes 5 hours. So 34 plus 60. 34 plus 60 becomes 94 minutes. 94 minus 41. 94 minus 41. 4 minus 1, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. So 53 minutes. And 5 minus 2, it is 3. Once again, I will explain this one. 20 minus 36, it is not possible in the seconds. So we will take 1 minute from here. This 35 becomes 34. 60 seconds. 60 plus 20, 80. 80 minus 36, you will get 44. I have written here. This 34. From 34, it is not possible to subtract 41. So take 1 hour here. 34 plus 60. 94 it becomes. Subtract 41. You will get 53 minutes. Next 5 minus 2, 3 hours. 3 hours, 53 minutes, 44 seconds. Come to here. Here also in the same way. 45, 49. So 45 plus 60. You take 1 minute from here. So 60 becomes 5. 105 it will become. So subtract 49. You will get 15 minus 9, 6. 9 minus 4, 5. That is 56 seconds you will get. 56 seconds. So here this becomes 39. 40 becomes 39. But here it is 50. So 39 plus you take 1 hour from here. Carry 39 plus 60. 39 plus 60 becomes 99. 99 minus 50. 99 minus 50. Subtract 9, 4. That is 49 minutes. This becomes 16. 16 minus 11, 5. 16 minus 11, 5. 5 hours, 49 minutes, 56 seconds. I hope you understand this one also. This completes your time lesson. I hope you understand this lesson very well. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you very much.